The equal volume metal cylinder set allows students to investigate specific gravity and density as well as traditional laboratory skills. It comes with 4 cylinders all of equal volume: copper, aluminum, brass, and steel, along with an activity guide that gives you the specific densities for each substance and guided activities. The only other materials that you may need is a spring scale or electronic scale to determine the mass, either a graduated cylinder for the volume or a vernier caliper to have the students directly measure and calculate the volume. If you want the students to measure and calculate the volume of each cylinder, I would have them measure at different points and take an average in case there is a small variation, and do the same thing for every single cylinder. They will all end up being the same, but it will eliminate the assumptions that you should not do when you do a good scientific experiment. If you do want to use the displacement method to determine the volume of the cylinders, then I just tied a little string onto each cylinder. Actually, I used tape. And then you can either simply drop this into the cylinder and measure the increase in volume, or you can have the students use a spring scale and then have them lower this into the cylinder with the spring scale, because then not only can they get the volume of the cylinder, but they can actually measure the buoyant force at the same time. The equal volume set allows students to investigate different metals all with the same volume, but yet with different masses and densities. Not only this is an excellent opportunity to investigate the scientific method, but you can also use it to discuss specific gravity and how different metals, based on their density, might be useful for different real-world scenarios.